Finally, there is a new straightforward way to build a highly productive and profitable online business. Introducing the Prosperity Marketing System. You can build your list first, not the program owners, allowing you to sell unlimited times to your own prospects. You can build your business of choice, whether you are involved in an MLM, home business, direct selling, or affiliate marketing, it doesn't matter. You can be building your business of choice as simple as plug and play. No longer are you restricted by the choices and setup of the program owner, and this will blow your mind. With the Prosperity Marketing System, you truly make money even when prospects say no to your business. That's right, money goes in your pocket each month whether prospects say yes or no. This means you can be far more profitable than ever before and build a strong residual income that grows each and every month. Plus, with the Prosperity Marketing System, you have the power to fully brand yourself and customize the system with your own additional income downline builders of your choice. You are in the driver's seat to create your own flow of multiple streams of income and traffic the way you choose to do it, while using the well-oiled sales funnel of the Prosperity System to practically do the selling for you. The Prosperity Marketing System has all this and much more. It truly is a fully brandable and customizable marketing system where you come first and you are put in control. With these, we've only touched the surface. To take a free tour and learn more about how the Prosperity Marketing System will take your online business to a whole new level, simply enter your name and email address in the form. You will instantly have access to our next video, which will show you the multitude of features available to you, as well as the straightforward simplicity of the system itself. Fill out the form now and gain instant access.